Hi, I'm Debbie Pokornik, and I run a company called Empowering Energy. And lately I have been doing a series on my family booster shot cards. These cards have been created to help families take their together time and turn it into quality time. I think for a lot of us, we often think that we want to do whatever our kids want to do during that time. So sometimes that means we'll end up watching movies or watching them play a game on a PlayStation or whatever they might have. Or like we have to do something really expensive in order for the time to be quality. But the reality is quality time does not have to take a lot of time. So sometimes 15 minutes is all you need to make that connection. And it also does not have to be expensive. And so these cards are geared at helping you build relationship, get to know each other better, help build pathways in the brains, help teach social and emotional control, but without costing you a lot of money. The card that I have pulled out of the deck today is on earning respect. This is a very interesting topic for me because most of us realize that we want to be respected, and we're very offended when we feel like we're being disrespected. Yet, we have trouble really putting into language what respect is. So for example, you might be talking to someone and your child might come up and interrupt you, and you feel disrespected. And so you might get very upset with them and say, "That's rude, don't do that." Yet, we would not say the definition of respect is never cutting somebody off. Because there are times where it's an emergency and you really need to cut them off in order to get their attention. And so it becomes really hard. I mean, we know that spitting on someone is going to be considered disrespectful, but we wouldn't say the definition of respect is not spitting on someone. So this card talks about how respect is taught more by what we do than what we say. And so we're role modeling respect all the time. So we need to know that if we are cutting our kids off in mid-sentence to tell them to wipe their nose or tell them to wash their hands or whatever, that we're modeling the very behavior that we're trying to teach them is disrespectful. So it's really important for us to give some thought to this and to think about, how am I modeling respect? Because your kids will learn much more about respect from watching what you're doing than from what you actually say to them. So help your kids become clear on what respect means. You might do this by having a family discussion about respect using leads in like, "I feel respected when," "I feel disrespected when." But by having a discussion about it, both you and your kids can start to understand that respect is a very interesting word that does not have a clear, easy definition. It has a very strong feeling attached to it instead. And so by doing this and having this kind of a conversation, it can really open everybody's eyes to what you're modeling and also what you want your kids to pick up on. So have some fun with that. You can draw a picture with them about it if they're quite young. You can just have a conversation. You can turn it into some kind of a game modeling respect. But what you really want to do is have the conversation and notice where you have contradictions coming up. Until next time, I hope you have lots of fun with this family booster shot.